Number 1. Hi-Fi Digital Compressor with 3 pneumatic nozzle, ideal for inflating tires, sporting and camping equipment, easy to use pressure gauge, powered by any 12V lighter socket. Nylon air hose with quick release chuck, secure valve attachment, fast inflation, measures up to 250 pounds per square inch. Great for emergencies, heavy duty, 3-meter cord, lightweight and compact. Number 2. Digital Tire Inflator Auto Shut-Off with LED light for cars, bicycles and balls. Brand name, KK Moon. Voltage, DC 12 volts. Model name, Tire Inflator. Item weight, 934 grams. Material type, plastic. Some features of this digital air compressor are: wide application, car, bike, rubber dinghy, balls, inflatables, etc. Auto off function. The tire inflator will automatically turn off once the set pressure has been achieved. Once turned on the tire inflator, the bright LED light display is lighted, which is convenient for night vision. Cigarette lighter built-in fuse. Use more secure and safe. Up to 2.8 meters of 12V car power cord. Number 3. Windeck Portable Air Compressor Preset Function. Brand, Windeck. Model, RCPB31A. Pressure gauge, digital gauge. Weight, 0.8 kilograms. Materials, ABS. Voltage, DC 12 volt. Function, lighting, inflation, tire pressure. Portable car electric inflatable pump. Preset tire pressure. Auto inflate and auto stop function. Number 4. GSP-SCN Inflatable Air Compressor with Reflecting Toolbox. Brand name, GSP-SCN. Voltage, DC 12 volt. Item weight, 4.5 kilograms. Model name, FLY242. Some features of this air compressor are: double cylinder, copper motor, copper connector, aluminum alloy connecting rod, low noise, low current, continuous strong power, oil-less, no need any maintenance. Comes with toolkits, tire repairing kits, screwdrivers, plier,